I'm Rebecca Capua. I graduated Barnard in 2003. I majored in art history, and I'm a conservator of works on paper at the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Art conservation is a nexus of three fields of science, art history, and fine art. And using all those skills, I can examine a work of art on paper and determine what the artist's original intent was, and also use those skills to perform treatments on the object to maybe reverse some of the effects of time. When I go through an exhibition like the Jacques-Louis David drawings exhibition, I'm looking at two things. One is the condition of the works on paper, and I'm also looking at the artist's technique and what I can learn about each particular artist and the way they approach drawing. I spend most of my time here in the Paper Conservation Lab at the Met. One of the projects I'm working on right now in the lab is the treatment of a 18th century engraving that was severely darkened due to exposure to light and poor storage materials. I submerge it in a bath of water with a little bit of calcium hydroxide added to raise the pH. My goal is to improve the color of the sheet, hopefully make it a little brighter, and also it'll improve the structural stability of the paper. When this piece is eventually shown in the galleries or lent to another exhibition, it's going to be closer to the original color of the paper, and you won't see any of the damage that's happened. Another project I'm working on is a drawing made with iron gall ink that's severely damaged and compromised by the ink, which has itself corroded the paper. I haven't determined the course of treatment, but it definitely needs to be supported so that the areas that are starting to break don't further progress and we don't lose entire sections of the drawing. My advice for Barnard students who are interested in studying arts conservation or another field that combines art and science is don't be afraid of studying both fields, even though they seem so different. They really can come together in very interesting ways.